Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A company reached out to me called Elegoo and asked me to show you their smart robot. Now this is on Amazon for around £67.99. It's for educational purposes, anyone like kids into programming, electronics and robots. This could be a perfect little gift for them. I'm also giving one of these away, so stay tuned till the end of the video. There will be a competition. All the details for that will be in the description anyway. Unfortunately, I'm not going to build this, but I will show you what you get inside the box. So obviously you get assembly tutorial. So it's similar to what you'd find for perhaps, you know, Meccano or Technics Meccano and stuff like that. Obviously you get all different chipboards, motors, wheels and all that sort of stuff. So step-by-step guide, car kit plus. So it shows you there what you get in there: tires, DC motors, remote controls, USB cable types, USB cable type micro 1 PC. Pretend I know what that means. Show you in here, look. So there's all the goodies in there. So you get a lot of stuff in that box as well. So that's where all your bolts and screws are housed in there. It's going to be a long job, I'd imagine. It's going to take quite a long time to do. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to actually build it. There's another box in there as well. That was pretty cool, whatever that is. And one more at the bottom is this. So you get 4 boxes. This is sort of a box. 2 acrylic chassis. Can we open this up? It opens up there at the side. So we'll take a look at these. Okay, so there are your chassis for the actual car. They seem to be lettered as well. So I can show you the box close up if you've not really heard of this robot. It works for iOS and Android. There's line tracking, obstacle avoidance, and infrared remote as well. So on the back, Elegoo R3 controller, programming program, so Arduino. So it's based on Arduino, open source with free learning content. Battery lasts around about 2 hours. A USB port, Bluetooth, DC geared motor 148, and shows you the functions there as well. Line tracking, move forward automatically along the black path, obstacle avoidance, infrared control, and mobile control as well from your phone. So yeah, that is the Smart Robot Car Kit Plus version 3. Links to the giveaway will be in the description. You just got to follow social medias and stuff like that, and I will announce the winner in a couple of weeks. The date will be on the giveaway as well, so you'll know. But yeah, it's worth a little shot. Looks like a cool little robot. There's actually an age guide on here which designed for 13 years old or above to learn programming, electronics and robotics knowledge and get hands-on experience. So yeah, thanks very much for watching guys. Links to this in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.